Article 2, an experiment on thinking about stress. Our beliefs or mindsets about stress can affect how our body responds to stress and ultimately how healthy we are. In one study, participants were shown one of two videos. One group watched a video that opened with a positive statement about stress. Most people think that stress is negative, but actually research shows that stress is enhancing. It went on to describe how stress can improve our performance and sense of well-being and help us to grow mentally and emotionally. The second group watched a video that began with a negative statement about stress. Most people know that stress is negative, but research shows that stress is even more debilitating than you expect. It went on to describe how stress can negatively affect your health, happiness, and performance. Both videos cited real research, but each was designed to activate a different response in the body. In order to create a stress-inducing situations, all participants had a mock job interview in which they were asked tough questions and given feedback that criticized their responses. Afterwards, the participants spit into a cup and their saliva was analyzed for two hormones secreted when experiencing stress: cortisol and DHEA. Cortisol helps us turn sugar and fat into energy and improves the ability of our body and brain to use energy. DHEA helps our brain grow, much in the same way that testosterone helps our body grow stronger. It also helps with the wound repair, enhances our immune function, protecting us from disease. We need both hormones, but the higher the DHEA, the more we thrive under stress. Studies show that a higher ratio of DHEA to cortisol predicts academic persistence, resilience in the face of setbacks, and higher GPAs. As expected, everyone's cortisol went up during the mock interview. But participants who had watched the positive video on stress prior to the interview released more DHEA than the group that had watched the negative video on stress. So viewing stress in a positive light helps our bodies biologically respond to stress in positive ways.